I found out how to use it, and it is awesome. I can change stuff on it. Oh god, this phone camera sucks. From that thingy to that thingy to this weird thingy, and it just plays off my Walkman into this wire into both ports to make this weird little sound thingy. Apparently that's what sound looks like. I'm not satisfied yet. This is the cool thingy, but this one's pretty neat too. Get close, you can see the little waves. See if I try to make it dark in here. There you go, you can see them now. They're beautiful, aren't they? That's some beautiful crap. Okay, bye bye.